Howdy folks, Ron Crider reporting for duty again today. Today we are going to talk about this Bluetooth headset, wireless headset. This is the best one I have found. I like it a lot. I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce it. Trucker Bluetooth headset. It's V5.0 wireless headset with mute mic for cell phones or ear Bluetooth headphones with wireless or wired mode. All right, so having said all of that, you can see it here. It's very slick. Let me give you a little bit better picture of it here. This is an idea of what goes on with this thing. For example, it has an all-purpose button, a multi-MFB. That's a multi-functional button down here, and that adjusts your volume. It also helps you pair this with your computer or your iPhone. And then it has a charging port down here at the bottom where you plug your charging wire into it, and that will plug into a USB charging port on your computer or some other charging device. But that's exactly how it works. It's very simple. And then in addition to that, it has a off-on switch for the mic, which you can mute the mic out right here. And then it has this microphone, and the microphone is terrific. It is a noise-canceling microphone, which means you can move your head around in all sorts of directions, and you're not going to have any issue with that. Then these are some of the other parts that you see with it. It has a nice soft earpiece. It's only one ear, so if you're busy doing something and somebody else is talking to you in your other ear, you can hear it. It's not like you have two earphones on, you can't hear it very well. Here's another shot of it, and you get a better idea. It has a little plug here that you use to plug in to charge it. And here's a guy sitting there doing his wireless, probably Zoom meeting or something such as that. If you are on a board in school and you want to do your schoolwork or Zoom with some people and there's a lot of noise around you, this will help a lot because it is a noise-canceling microphone. I'm going to show you a very quick little video here. I think I'm going to show you a quick video, or I'm going to
either answer questions or make their comments or whatever the point has to be. And Ron, when we do that, would you, and that's before the vote on the budget, would you kindly keep watch of the 3 minutes? I'd like to kind of stick to that protocol.
Alrighty, so that was the video. That was the actual unit being used by one of the people here on our board of directors, and it is absolutely terrific. I got one for the president of the board and also another board member. The other board member was almost impossible to understand at the last board meeting, and this time he was clear as a bell. I strongly recommend this type of system for you to use if you are doing a lot of Zoom meetings and so forth. Works quite well. Now, I'm using a microphone here myself, but I do recommend these. And the fact that they are wireless means that while you're doing it, you can move your head all around. When I move my head away, go like this and come back here, obviously my voice starts going away. But if I had one of those on right now, that wouldn't take place. So again, I strongly recommend it. They're relatively inexpensive. Not allowed to tell you how much they cost, but they are relatively inexpensive, and I think you'll find them well worth the amount of money you're spending on it. You can also use it with your cell phones as well. So if you're using it with your computer to do a Zoom meeting, that'll work. Or you can use it with your cell phone if you happen to be on a long, lengthy cell call and you want to use this. That's a good idea. If you're driving or something, you can do that. And that also leaves your other ear available to hear other noises going on if somebody were blowing their horn or something. So it's also very safe to use in your car. I suppose that's why they call it a trucker Bluetooth headset. Thank you very much for watching the video. Appreciate it very much, and I think you're going to enjoy this product.